This is math video reflection number 4, and this is the third take because I've been having some TMJ issues, so I'm on pain medication. Yay! So it's kind of hard to focus, but I'm going to do my best. The first question is, that's a good question. What challenges did you face when preparing this lesson? Resources. My lesson was based on non-standard units of measurement, and I found a lot of ideas and activities for standard units of measurement, like inches, feet, yards, things like that. But I couldn't find a lot, for non-standard, using cubes or paper clips or pencils, different ways to measure. That was a little hard to find some ideas for, but I eventually found them. And the second question, I need to stop shutting my laptop. What challenges did you face when implementing this lesson? When I was modeling and explaining how you, say they're measuring my finger, and they just take a coin and keep adding coins side by side with each other until you reach the end. But what one of the little boys was trying to do was just have one non-standard unit of measurement and just go 1, 2, 3, and didn't want to add any more. But I told him, that's hard to keep track of, so you need to, it's easier to just use what you have. You have plenty coins to use, so just lay them all out and then count them. And if you want to guess first, that's fine, but you do need to actually lay them all out. So that was like a common, or like something that he kind of tripped up on that might be common, but I just didn't realize he was going to get confused on that. How was learning affected by your planning and teaching? I mean, it's directly affected. Whether or not you plan well and actually know what you're talking about is going to affect whether or not they get it. And I think they can tell when you don't know what you're talking about. You might have planned a great lesson, but unless you know what you're talking about, you're just going to look like an idiot. So, but it was a short lesson. It wasn't extensive. So I feel like since it's a first grade lesson, I obviously have that mastered. So I felt comfortable teaching it, and I think, I kind of have a relaxed manner of teaching anyway, so I think they felt that they could make mistakes and it was okay. I'm kind of drifting off from planning and prep. Dang it, I'm at 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Okay, I'll wrap it up. But my planning and preparation does affect. If I had crappy materials, then they would have had a crappy lesson and probably wouldn't have been as engaged or remembered, what they learned the next day. Oh, quick shot of what she's doing. Chloe! Hi, baby. Oh, you're so strong.